Here at CELBAN Prep University, through our virtual campus, we offer more than you can possibly imagine. That is why this video is about 3 things you might not know about preparing for CELBAN writing through CPU. Number 1. As an English exam, you are not being evaluated on your knowledge, whether it be medical knowledge or the type of knowledge and vocabulary you need to increase your score on the IELTS. Instead, you are being evaluated on your ability to communicate, in writing, in a moderately demanding situation. So, stop worrying about the topic. Instead, focus on your ability to communicate clearly, in English. Number 2. There are 5 knowledges you are being evaluated on when it comes to CELBAN writing. They are grammatical, textual, functional, strategic and sociolinguistic. What does that mean? If you want to increase your score on CELBAN writing, start with your grammar. If you have mastered nouns and articles, verbs and verbals, and overcome agreement errors, then start with a review of your punctuation and sentence structure. Over the 10 years Kim Kara, founder of CELBAN Prep University, prepared IENs for the CELBAN, she discovered that the first step for her nurses always came down to these skills. Focusing on your grammar will help you to increase your scores not only in writing but also speaking and reading as well. Learn more about how to improve your grammar with the CELBAN Prep Silver Bundle. Number 3. Finally, and most importantly, simply reading medical reports, in English, will not help you to increase your score on the CELBAN. It takes time and practice to develop the skills you need to be able to complete the writing task in a timed moderately demanding situation. So, stop looking for writing samples and practice tests. Instead, get your copy of the CELBAN Preparation Writing Guide that is available internationally through Amazon so that you can start developing the skills mentioned in number 2. And when you are ready and willing to invest in your future, learn more about wonderful writing in the CELBAN Prep Gold Bundle. Now you know 3 things about how to prepare for CELBAN writing through CELBAN Prep University. And, there is even more. Join the hundreds and thousands of internationally educated nurses who, since 2009, have prepared for the CELBAN through CELBAN Prep. Check it out at www.howtoprepareforthecelban.ca. See for yourself what CPU has to offer. Learn more about our app-based virtual campus, today.